Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off a 2025 TRD Off-Road Premium Tacoma that we've made to look almost exactly like a Trailhunter. Let's get started. Okay, for starters, we're going to go ahead and talk about the front of the vehicle. What we've done is we've replaced the TRD Off-Road stock grille with the Trailhunter Trail Heritage Edition grille. This grille is, of course, going to have the Heritage Toyota lettering spelled out. Delete this Toyota Sombrero badging in the middle. Going to incorporate a 20-inch light bar. We've chosen to go with a clear light bar on this one. This is a Baja S8. The cool thing about the Baja S8 is it does have illumination glowing in the back of it, which is an amber color. So when this car is running just normal with the headlights off, it's going to actually have an amber light that's going to match your parking lights perfectly right here and here. And of course, you can turn it on. This is a TRD model, so it's going to have the auxiliary switches already pre-wired. So we're using the auxiliary 1 button to enable the light bar to turn on. Kind of moving off to the side here, you'll notice that we've taken the Trailhunter wheels and installed those to make it look like a Trailhunter. This color is available in a Trailhunter. So to the untrained eye, you would probably mistake it for a Trailhunter without actually seeing the snorkel or possibly the roll cage that goes on the back. Being a TRD off-road model, you're going to have these fender flares that are a little bit larger in a matte black. We went ahead and upgraded the tires. This is a BFG KO3 tire. It's a 265/70/18. We've retained the TPMS sensors that come on the original TRD off-road wheels on the 17 inches that come on it, and repurposed them in these TRD wheels. This particular truck, we added a TRD aluminum side step. You have various side step options from Toyota. This is probably one of my favorite options just because it is an actual aluminum side step, and also it comes in a polyurea coating, so it's extremely durable, basically like a truck bed liner coating. Lighter because it's aluminum too, and if it does ever get scuffed up, it's not going to rust because it's aluminum. So kind of moving off to the back, we added an ARB rear bumper. This is a Toyota genuine part. You can order this from your local dealer. There are two versions of this, one with the rear parking sonar sensors and rear cross traffic monitor sensors, and another version that's the same exact bumper without it. These additional recovery hooks are another accessory that you can get with or without this additional ARB bumper. You can have those on the stock frame. And this is steel, and of course you're going to have a little bit better departure angle just because it is a high cut. Being a premium model, you're going to have the soft close tailgate and open in both ways. In this particular truck, we added the air compressor. This is the air compressor kit that you get in the Trailhunter. Comes in a really cool little Toyota bag that says compressor kit on it. We're going to store that right here. Absolutely perfect fit. And then on the other side, we have the ARB compressor. I'm sorry, not ARB, it's NSV, but this is the exact compressor that comes on the Trailhunter. It only works while the vehicle is actually operating, but it does have the ability to select the PSI that you want it to go to and hit start, and it'll inflate and stop automatically. You'll notice that it does have additional USB ports and 12 volt, and that is actually really nice because if you have a premium model that has the USB ports and the 12 volt outlet in this cubby, by pulling this cubby out and replacing it, you would lose those. So you are retaining those just in a different housing. And then of course it shuts right there. The compressor is actually mounted right here. So the compressor is sandwiched in between the composite bed and the actual sheet metal on there. This one has a spray-on bed liner and it has a bed mat as well. That's everything that we've done on this 2025 TRD Off-Road Premium Tacoma. If you guys have any questions, please ask in the comment section below, and in the video description notes, we'll do our best to link to every OEM part that we've added to this vehicle.